Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable ghost mode in Snapchat application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. To begin with, you need to open your Snapchat application. Once you open the application, right at the bottom, you will find the location option. You need to tap on that one. And here, once you enable ghost mode, your friends cannot see you on the map. They cannot see the location of you on the map. As you can see now, I can see this person. Maybe I can see myself here as well. So once I enable the ghost mode, my friends and anyone on Snapchat cannot see my location. So how are you going to do it? You need to tap on the setting option here. Once you tap on the setting option here, as you can see now, my friends can see my location. But if I enable the ghost mode, your friends can't see your location. So I will tap on that one. You can enable ghost mode for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. So if you want to do it forever, you can choose until turned off. So I will tap on that one, and now ghost mode has been enabled. So guys, this is how you can enable ghost mode in Snapchat. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.